All right, in this video, we're going to talk about how do you access environment variables in Python. Now, environment variables are things set in the outer environment in your terminal, or, in places like AWS, when you're running a container, environment variables can be set as part of the operating system. So, to get to these, you use OS module, operating system module. That makes sense. And then the environ, I don't know why they shortened it, but they did, environ dictionary. Now, here's how I used to do this before doing the research for this, which is I would set a default of, let's say debug is false, and then I would have to check that debug was in the OS environment so it didn't throw an error. And if it was, I would set it equal to, now in this case, you have to remember all your environment variables come in as strings. So if you need them to be something else like a number, or here, like a true false, you have to do a little more processing. So I would say debug equals os.environ debug, and then equal to true. If it's that, then it's true, otherwise it's false. And if you print it out, sure enough, I get false. Now, let me give you a much more Pythonic way of doing this so you look like a pro. And that is to do get on the environment. Because remember, it's a dictionary. And when you do that, you can set a default right here as the second parameter. So now that 1, 2, 3 becomes just one line, looks a lot neater. It's a lot more obvious what you're doing. So region is os.environ get. I'm looking for region, but if I don't have it in there, I'm going to set it to US West 1. And in this case, I set it up here ahead of time, so it's US East 1. So that's it. Please hit subscribe down there if you haven't already. Smash that like button so more people get to view this video, and I'll see you in the next one.